Tuesday the 12th of January, and today our thought is live your dreams. Today I celebrate that my dreams are unfolding. Deep within my heart, my intentions and my faith intertwine to reveal glorious possibilities. Despite any outward appearance of seeming lack or limitation, I remain firm in my faith to live my dreams. My intentions are powerful, and they contribute to a new vision for my life. The thoughts I hold in mind shape the experiences of my day. In my quiet times, I draw upon divine ideas as the building blocks of my life. As I tap into divine ideas, my life manifests new and positive outcomes. Moment by moment, my dreams are becoming reality. I focus on the highest vision for my life. As I notice my goals and dreams coming into fruition in my outer life, I recognize that a spiritual awakening is also unfolding within me. I celebrate my dreams coming true. Luke's Gospel chapter 1 verse 37 says, "For nothing will be impossible with God."